Guys, we start an isomerism. In this isomerism we start an isomer and identical relationship. Okay, now you are able to see some figures in the front of you, A, B, C and D. Okay, now you are able to see that A and B are look like as a mirror images. Okay, so someone is asked the relation between A and B. If they ask the relation between A and B, you can say an enantiomer. You can say an enantiomer. Okay, if you are able to see that in A and D, A and D, so in D, this is the bottom mirror image, look like as a bottom mirror image. Okay, so now you are able to see that if D is rotate 180 degree, D is rotate 180 degree rotation, when 180 degree rotation, so we can say directly on 180 degree rotation no change in configuration, no change in configuration. Okay, so D, when you rotate 180 degree, so it is look like as a B, so it is look like as a B. So I will say B and D are identical. So by the help of this I can say that directly, if B and D are identical, so A and D also are an enantiomer. Okay, now if you are able to see that if C on this plane, vertically plane, I rotate on vertical axis 180 degree vertically, this is a vertical plane. Okay, so on vertical plane I will rotate it 180 degree, so this is going on this side, so wedge convert on dash and dash convert on wedge. So C is look like as B, so C and B are also, we can say, identical. C is look like as B when you rotate 180 degree on axis, and you know that 180 degree rotation means no change, so C and B are identical. So we can say directly one thing, A and C are also an enantiomer. Are you getting my point? Are you clear with this point or not? Guys, A is mirror image of side mirror image of B, A is a front mirror image of face mirror image of C, and A is a bottom mirror image of with D also. Okay, so these are the mirror images with A, side, face, bottom, but these images are not says that in the examination, they are given to you different configuration, so you have to identify the relation. So by the help of this 180 degree rotation, when this type of ring system is coming in the examination, so by the help of this 180 degree rotation you can identify the configuration. It is identical, it is an enantiomer, it is diastereomer, by the help of this. So guys, I hope guys this is you like it, so subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.